Another day, I can't say another dollar, but we're here. So we're going to talk about when hyperventilation occurs and why it happens in the body. So for this, I'm going to relate it back to what we did in class and then what I actually did for my exercises. So in class, we did burpees. We're going to sit on that. And then I further decided to haze myself. And I went and did a CrossFit class with my boyfriend's sister, and she taught it. So we're going to talk about hyperventilation because right now it's on a spiritual level of what I was feeling. So we're going to do a quick RQ reminder. We talked about that within the first couple videos, and it's what the body is predominantly breaking down in terms of a macronutrient and based off of the level of energy expenditure and effort that we're putting into things. So for an RQ that equals 1 or higher, we're burning predominantly carbs. And for 0.6 or less, we are burning fat. And then there's that healthy in between of 0.85 where it's 50-50. So here we're looking at a graph of our work rate, and it's continuously going up. And then we see a point of hyperventilation. And this is when our RQ is burning anything above 1.1 in carbohydrates. Like I said, that's when we are burning carbohydrates. So that means we have a high expenditure of carbon dioxide that is being released because of the energy output and how we're burning ATP. So our carotid arteries are our receptors, so right here on CO2, and that's going to tell us when we actually need to inhale and exhale. And so if we have a high amount of CO2, then we're going to have a higher level of respiration, and then so vice versa. And that's why I related it back to the burpees thing, because it helped us remember. And then for the CrossFit workout we did, it was an AMRAP, and we had like a 400-meter dash, and then we did 10 heavyweight power cleans, and then we did a 200-meter dash, and then we did 5 power cleans, and there's some level of jump roping in that. And I remember when I was jump roping, I was wheezing. So at some point, I don't know if I'd been close to my VO2 max, but I know one of the cues is if you're wheezing that it is a telltale that you are pushing yourself. And I would say I was definitely hyperventilating at one point because I am not a runner. But till next time.